Imagine waking up tomorrow with $1 million. What's the first thing you would do? For most people, the answer is simple: put it in the bank. But here's something that surprises many people. Many wealthy individuals don't keep all of their money sitting in a bank account. And today, we're going to explain why. A bank account is an important tool. It gives you a safe place to keep money for everyday expenses, emergencies, and paying bills. But there's a problem. Money sitting in a regular savings account often grows very slowly. Meanwhile, over time, the cost of groceries, housing, insurance, and other everyday expenses can increase. That means if your money isn't growing, its purchasing power may gradually decline. That's one reason many people choose to spread their money across different types of assets rather than relying on a single bank account. For example, some people invest in broad stock market funds. Others buy real estate. Some build businesses. Others invest in education or skills that help increase their future income. The important idea isn't that there's one perfect investment. It's understanding that different financial goals may call for different places to put your money. Think about two people. One keeps every extra dollar in a basic savings account. The other keeps an emergency fund in the bank, but invests additional savings over the long term. Years later, the second person may have benefited from growth that the first person never experienced. Of course, investing also comes with risk, and values can go up or down. That's why many financial professionals recommend learning about diversification instead of putting everything into one investment. Another common misconception is that wealthy people avoid banks altogether. That's not true. Banks still play an important role. People use them for checking accounts, emergency savings, paying bills, and running businesses. The difference is that many financially successful people don't expect their bank account alone to build wealth. Instead, they often think about making their money productive while still keeping enough cash available for short-term needs. This is why financial planning is so important. Not because everyone needs complicated strategies, but because having a plan helps you make decisions that fit your own goals. Whether you're saving for a home, building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing for retirement, understanding the purpose of each dollar can make a big difference over time. Building wealth isn't usually about one big decision. It's often the result of many small, consistent decisions made over years. The goal isn't simply to have money. The goal is to create financial security, flexibility, and opportunities for the future. So the next time you look at your bank account, ask yourself one question. Is every dollar working toward the future I want to build? If you enjoyed this video and want more practical money lessons explained in simple terms, subscribe and join us for the next episode.